Divine Collective, I was just sitting here thinking how Spirit is always telling us energy readers, us oracles, to, you know, speak to you and give you all the confidence needed to tell your story. Okay, sorry, I was in my head, I was thinking, I had all these thoughts and I didn't know how to I didn't know how to articulate what it was I was trying to say. Divine Collective. But anywho, um because when you tell your story, that is you filing spiritual paperwork within the spiritual ethers, Divine Collective. That is you taking over your own spiritual case. I can sit here now and see how that makes perfect sense. When you start to awaken, you start to get these downloads and you start to piece everything together. You become much more knowledgeable, Divine Collective, or much more curious, I feel, when it pertains to legalities, right? Because you're learning of what others have done to you. So because you don't want to retaliate, because you don't want to act out of character, it's like you're naturally being drawn to ways of handling these situations so that you are not in a chaotic state or handing over your peace, right? Follow me. um, but that is why it is so important to tell your story. Here's the thing that I'm starting to realize. Not all of us are going to be in the public eye telling our story. Okay? We all have very unique paths. Divine Collective. I never thought that I would be in the public eye, but here I am. However, there are people out there that feel like they're being pushed that way, Divine Collective, but here's the thing, they're for certain that they don't want to be on social media or in the public eye. Here's what I'm starting to realize, that you don't have to be in the public eye to speak your truth, or you don't even have to be in front of anybody, Divine Collective. Why I say that is because many of the more important readings, the very big readings that I did, they would often delete Divine Collective, like the really good ones where I would finish the reading and I would have this sense of like, that was good. That I got some really good information out of that. Those would always be the readings that would delete. And it was so frustrating, Divine Collective, because it was always those, okay? But I'm starting to realize that it doesn't matter. As long as you put that energy out, you're speaking it out of your mouth, and you're acknowledging that you know these things, justice is going to take place in your case, Divine Collective, okay? As I'm sitting here now, Spirit is giving me that download, okay? So that is what I mean by filing spiritual paperwork. I'm often brought to this thought, so it must be something that a lot of you think about, like, how do I get to that place? Like, maybe something I've said in my readings have given you the confidence or the courage needed to kind of take over your spiritual case, and you're just wondering, where do you begin? And that's where you begin, by just acknowledging that you know these things, speaking it out, however you need to do that, okay? And once you, I feel like once you put it out into the energy, Divine Collective, that's when everything starts to shift. And you don't have to do that in front of anybody. There's certain of us that our path is in the public eye. We are meant to reach a wider audience, Divine Collective, but I know that that's not for everybody. So again, I really feel like if you're wondering where do you start filing your spiritual paperwork, you just acknowledge your story. Even if that's to yourself, you don't need to speak it to anybody. Just speak it out loud to yourself. Speak to God about it. Put it out into the spiritual ethers. And it's like, I feel intuitively saying this to you, I feel like after you do that, you're going to get signs and synchronicities on how to navigate after that, Divine Collective. It's just intuitively what I'm picking up on in the moment. So for a lot of you, once you do that, you're going to feel a shift in the energy, and you're going to move forward here. Okay? It's going to be different for everybody, but that's what I'm getting, Divine Collective. I really hope that was insightful in some way, informative. I love you. Peace, love, and light.